Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can enable and disable the Windows Defender security in our devices. So we can do that by simply following the process that I will show you. So just make sure that you finish watching this video till the very end. Okay, so we can open the Windows security by clicking this up arrow key here, and if you see a shield icon, please click on that and you will be brought to the Windows security window. So if you don't see the Windows security icon here, just like mine, please go to the Windows search tab and type there Windows security, and you will see here under apps, please click on Windows security. And the moment you do that, you will see here the virus and threat protection option, so please click on that. And just scroll down a little bit, you will see in the second option the virus and threat protection settings. If you see the manage settings option, then please click on that. And in here, all we need to do is just turn off the options here for real-time protection. Let's just turn this off, and the moment you do that, you will see a user account control window coming up on your screen. So just please click on yes to proceed, and after doing that, you will also see that the dev drive protection is automatically turned off. As you can see, this is grayed out. So let's proceed with the cloud delivered protection. Turn this off again, as well as this one and this one. And the moment you do that, you have now successfully disabled the Windows security in your device. And when the time comes that you want to enable it because you're done installing the software that you want to be added or the apps that you want to be added in your device, then let's go back again with the same process. So let's search again here the Windows security. Let's click on that, and then let's go back again with the virus and threat protection settings, and then turn this on, and then click on yes. And then here in the virus and threat protection settings, since we turned off the options here, let us turn them on, and then click on yes. And then we can now manage the settings. So let's click on manage settings. So as you can see, the real-time protection is now turned on. It has been enabled, as well the dev drive. And for the tamper protection, let's turn this on and then click on yes. And then you have now successfully enabled the Windows security in your device. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do it. And if you found this video helpful, if you learned something from this video, then please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.